Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Caroline. If you're new here, welcome. On this episode, I'm gonna make an easy recipe you will love. I call it pineapple bacon bite. You will really love it. It's so simple to make. You have guests coming over, you make this one and you will love it, guys. So anyway, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, give me that like, share. So let's get started. So first of all, I have to say thank you guys. 3,000 subscribers. Yes. And you guessed it right. I had to make a grand entrance. Look at this, guys. I have the best wig from Crotchet Wigs Kenya. Thank you so much. I love it. I love the way it's so soft and it's light. It's so light. They have the best natural wigs that you will ever need. So check them out on their Instagram page on Crotchet Wigs Kenya, and they will deliver at your doorstep. So amazing. Look at this. I am rocking my best wig. Look at this. It's so soft, so bouncy. They have so many varieties that you will love. So why I love to use Crotchet Wigs Kenya is because they have the best natural hair extensions. They're actually the #1 Kenya hair shop. Yes, and they are made in Kenya. Don't worry about shipping, they do it worldwide. So as I go to my kitchen, looking all so nice. Let's go, guys. Someone asked me which hair this is. It's actually their curly 3A unit in black, but you can also have it in brown. So check the Crotchet Wigs Kenya, guys. So I'll get started with the easy pineapple bites. I call them easy pineapple bacon bites, and you just need 3 ingredients. So first of all, you need your cubed pineapple, fresh pineapple, and then you just strip your bacon, cut them into strips, and of course your barbecue sauce. Yes, that's it. So first of all, we're gonna wrap our pineapple in the bacon. So easy process. So these ones are just perfect for a game day, cocktail party, baby bridal showers. Your guests will love them. So to start all, what you do is you just so we'll just take a piece of pineapple quarter and wrap a piece of bacon around it, and then we're gonna secure our toothpicks, and then we're gonna place them on our parchment paper, which we've lined on a baking sheet. So, and then after that we'll brush our barbecue sauce over each bacon wrapped pineapple. It's that simple, guys. And then we put it in the oven, bake for 20-25 minutes until the bacon is cooked through and the sauce is sticky, and then we're gonna serve it when it is on a platter, anything. So first of all, we're gonna take it and then we're gonna wrap. It's so easy, like this. Just wrap it, and then your guests will be like, oh wow, how did you make this one? I love them. So you just put it like that. They are so sweety and salty at the same time, and what I love about them is they are perfect for entertaining and so simple to make, because you just need 3 ingredients: pineapple, bacon, and your barbecue sauce, and then that's it. They are so perfect as an appetizer, so you can have them for appetizers before the main meal. So first of all, we're gonna preheat our oven for 205 degrees. So we're gonna bake for 20 minutes. So we need 10 minutes for preparation. Then that's it. Look at this, looks amazing. The best pineapple bacon bite. And something else that you should know, I always use fresh pineapples, and that's what gives them that sweet, tasty, that sweetness, because you feel like they have vanilla, they have sugar, and yet it's just this fresh pineapple that is really ripe. So use that. So we're gonna put this in the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Look at that. Amazing. So first of all, I'm just so happy for 3,000 subscribers. That is amazing. So I have a question for you guys, so make sure you comment below. So I have a question for you. What is your most used emoji and why? So comment below. And also something else I really want to know, I've always wanted to ask you, my viewers, my kind viewers, thank you so much for the love, for sharing my videos, for making me get to 3,000. I am just so excited. So I want to know your most favorite food and when is the last time that you had it. Yes, so let me know, comment below, and let's get into chatting. I want to get to know more of my viewers, so I want to get to know you guys. Finally, let's see what we have. Oh my god, look at this. So well done. And how do you know your bacon is done? When it's so crispy. You can see it's super crispy. So we're gonna put this in our... Finally, the tasting part. Yes, look at this. Yummy. I love the way you know your bacon is good when it's crispy. Yes. So let's have a taste. Amazing. So for that party, make this awesome pineapple bacon bite, and your guests will be so entertained. I hope you've enjoyed the episode as I have, and as always, if you've not subscribed, give me that like, share this video and give me that like, and I really appreciate. So anyway, that's it from me. Bye.